Yo, what's up, guys? This is Artist Chris, and you're watching Creations. So, I really hope that you all are fine, safe at your place, and with your families. And yeah, stay at home, stay safe, eat healthy stuff, and no matter how much bored you are, stay at home, please. And keep on doing artworks. Why don't you draw something? So recently I saw a video from Draw with Jaza that he has been made a picture with with one color only, and it kind of looked dope. So I think that it might be a great idea to create an artwork using different art supplies, but with one color only. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get to it. Before getting into my artworks, I've gathered all my red colors that I'll try to use in this video. And before that, I want to check the flow of the colors, pigment, saturation, intensity of the colors, that how I'm going to use them. So
I'm finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hit the fear of a passive aggressive. Angry black man with a passion. Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right. Love at first sight shit, art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, couldn't kick it. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. White suspicious behind the eyelid. Tell a reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always treat the shit with a caution. Hold it 10 toes down for the dogs. You can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. To the end of the candle. Doing shit to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Everything on the rose gold and right glow from me. I couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah. I'm finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hit the fear of a passive aggressive. Angry black man with a passion. Steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose leaf. Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right. Love at first sight shit, art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, couldn't kick it. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. White suspicious behind the eyelid. Tell a reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always treat the shit with a caution. Hold it 10 toes down for the dogs. You can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. To the end of the candle. Doing shit to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Everything on the rose gold and right glow from me. I couldn't couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything, yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and you can suggest me what to do next. And drop your comment, inbox me your ideas and any suggestions that you want me to have. So yeah, till then, stay creative, do creation, and this is artist Criz, and stay at home. Peace.